Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja if you've never been here before. Today I'm going to be installing this wig from Reshine Hair. This wig is a water wave 13x4 130% density wig. I know a lot of ladies like a little bit more density, but for me, I like for my wigs to be more on the thinner side because I have a small head, and yeah, all that hair, it just does not look good on me. So I did not record all of like this installation. Number one, because this lace did come medium brown. As you can see, I am not a medium brown girl. I am fairly light, so it didn't match. I had to tweak some things on my own to try to get it to match to my skin as best as it could. It did not come out perfect, but it came out okay, justifiable for the time that I'm going to be wearing it. So yeah, I won't be talking much. This video is more so like a tutorial for, I don't know, my baby hairs. If you guys want more in-depth, I am just now starting to get back on YouTube. So if you guys want more in-depth videos, please let me know down below in the comment section, and I will be sure to record those videos. Please bear with me because I am in school, so you know it's a little bit harder to get content out, but I am going to try my best, especially when it's something that I'm passionate about, which is, you know, hair. So for my baby hairs, I'm just using this razor. I know a lot of people like to use various things, but for me, I find that the razor is the easiest to do so. So I go around the perimeter of my head and I just cut my baby hairs. I don't know why, but for me it's harder to do my hair than it is for me to do my client's hair. If you guys know me or follow me, I don't wear lace too often or too much, so I'm always learning different stuff on myself and experimenting more on myself than I do on my clients. But I don't know, it's just a little bit harder for me to do it on myself than it for my clients. So that's just something that I just struggle with. But I mean, you guys will see that I'll, you know, get it looking pretty good at the end of it. It's this new method that I tried, this little baby hair technique or whatever. So in the first clip, like this clip here, it looks a little wonky because, like I said, it's my first time, but I kind of had to, you know, play around with it, get it to how I like it. But now I know exactly what to do. I've been studying them a little bit more like techniques and everything that I like. So in the next clip, you guys will see me come back and it will kind of be completed, but you guys get the gist of what exactly I'm doing. Y'all, I was literally so over this install before I even started the install because the lace was too dark. So if it looked like I didn't care, or if it looked like I didn't try in this video, that is because I didn't. Simply did not try, because I mean, I already thought that it was going to be like way too dark. It's not going to blend, it's not going to look good. Like, I was just over it. So yeah, this video isn't the best, but you guys can get the gist of what exactly I'm doing. And if I need to record it again, I will definitely record it again for you guys. was literally just so carefree, like it really does not make any sense. But whatever, we just gonna keep it going. Give me some pointers or like what I can do better for these videos. Like, do I need to zoom in? Do I need to like, I don't know. Like, you guys just help your girl out. Bam, so I told y'all I would come back and the baby hairs will be completed. I just kept doing the same thing I did in the last clip. And I'm taking my hot comb and like, you know, flattening out my hair. Like I said, this is a 13x4 lace wig, but as you guys know, with the 13x4 wigs, it is not a lot of parting on the side. So that's why I made it a little wonky. But yeah, you guys, we'll go with it. I just look so crazy right now. You guys can kind of see like got me cutting off this little piece of lace right here. But it is not transparent. I really wish it was transparent because you guys, like I literally would have slayed this install. Period. Would have slayed it. It's the board. But we're going what we got for now. I have so many more videos coming, dropping on hair installations, pimple installation, wig installations, stuff like that. But now I'm going in with my Nairobi foam and I'm just like feathering my baby hairs out so that we can get that soft look. I've learned that the key to the soft look is foam. That's going to be your best bet. Put your foam on, wrap it, blow dry it, set in the blow dryer, and comb them out, girl. You have to be careful with the foam though, because too much foam can definitely make your lace lift since it is a water-based product. And yeah, here's the final look, girls. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Cra'Deja @Hair by Cra'Deja. Let me know some suggestions down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.